Good morning, students. Today in the second lecture, second video of chapter number 7, standard 7 SS, I am going to explain about Sufi movements. My dear students, in my first lecture, first video, I explained about Bhakti movement. In Bhakti movement, we learn about different saints of South India, Bengal, Rajasthan, North India, Gujarat and Maharashtra. And today we are going to learn about Muslim saints. Bhakti movement, in Bhakti movement, Hindu saints were there, while in Sufi movement you will get information about Islam, Muslimism. In the third line you will get the meaning. The word Sufi expresses the religious idea of Islam. The word Sufi expresses the religious ideas of Islam, and the main objective of is to establish a relationship of love between God and man. It means showing the path of God. In Bhakti movement we learn that monotheism. We learn about monotheism. There is only one God. And my dear student, here Bhakti movement and Sufi movement means mixture of unity of Hinduism and Muslimism. In Sufi movement, there were four main traditions which were spread Sufism in India, and they were Chishti, Suhrawardi, Qadri and Naqshbandi. Underline it. Okay, there were four main traditions which spread Sufism in India were Chishti, Suhrawardi, Qadri and Naqshbandi. My dear student, Chishti and Suhrawardi tradition became very popular in Sufi movements. Shaibuddin Suhrawardi, underline the thing, okay, remember the word. Shaibuddin Suhrawardi of Baghdad. Shaibuddin Suhrawardi of Baghdad founded the Suhrawardi tradition. While in Ajmer, Moinuddin Chishti, those who have visited Ajmer and those who have visited this dargah, okay, Moinuddin Chishti's dargah, Moinuddin Chishti established the Chishti tradition, which is an excellent example of communal harmony even after today. If you are visiting Ajmer, it's better to visit this dargah, okay. Then next one is Chishti and Qutbuddin Bakhtiyar. Moinuddin Chishti and Qutbuddin Bakhtiyar, Baba Faridullah Ganj Shankar. Baba Fariduddin Ganj Shankar, Nizamuddin Aulia, Khwaja Baqi Balillah and the Sheikh Ahmad Sarhindi were the chiefs. Underline these names, okay. These are the Muslim names you have to remember. And last line is Sheikh Barihuddin was popular Chishti saint in South India. Once again, the word Sufi expresses the religious idea of Islam. Okay. Second thing, main objective was to establish the relationship of love between God and man. Then there were four main traditions, and they were Chishti, Suhrawardi, Qadri and Naqshbandi. Okay. Second thing, Chishti and the Suhrawardi tradition were famous. Shaibuddin Suhrawardi of Baghdad founded the Suhrawardi tradition. Then another name comes Moinuddin Chishti, Qutbuddin Bakhtiyar, Baba Faiduddin Ganj Shankar, Nizamuddin Aulia, Khwaja Baqi Billah, and the Sheikh Ahmad Sarhindi were the chiefs. You have to remember these names. Sheikh Burhanuddin was popular Chishti saint of South India. My dear students, effects of Sufi and Bhakti movement. My dear students, due to this Sufi and Bhakti movement, okay, people understood the real meaning of religion. They followed God, and there were discrimination of caste and creed were stopped. Okay, it became down. That we can consider about Kabir. So Sant Kabir had followers of Hindu people and Muslim people, both they were there. Okay, and my dear student, many were there like that. Okay, they opened the hearts, minds and eyes of the people, and the people understood the real meaning of the religion, and that is the effect. My dear student, one more thing I would like to explain. My dear student, Sayyid Muhammad Chons of Gwalior lived in isolated place with Hindu saints. Remember, you have to underline, okay? So there was no discrimination of there was no discrimination between two religions. They lived together, and they opened the hearts, minds and eyes of the people, and the people understood the real religion. So this is the lecture, my dear student. While explaining the question answer, I am going to explain this thing in detail. Thank you.